Navigating the digital landscape often involves entrusting sensitive personal and business information to online platforms. For individuals and small businesses seeking legal assistance, Rocket Lawyer emerges as a popular online legal service provider. A crucial question that naturally arises is regarding the security of the data shared with and managed by this platform. This explanation aims to provide a clear and concise understanding of Rocket Lawyer's security measures. Rocket Lawyer employs a multi-layered approach to safeguard user data. This involves several key aspects. Data encryption. When you transmit information to and from Rocket Lawyer servers, it is protected using industry-standard encryption protocols, such as Transport Layer Security, TLS. This process scrambles the data, making it unreadable to unauthorized parties who might attempt to intercept it during transmission. Think of it like sending a letter in a secret code that only the intended recipient can decipher. Secure data storage. Once your data reaches Rocket Lawyer servers, it is stored securely. While specific details about their storage infrastructure are proprietary, reputable online services typically utilize robust security measures, including firewalls, access controls, and regular security audits to prevent unauthorized access. This is akin to storing valuable documents in a highly secured vault with multiple layers of protection. Privacy policies and practices. Rocket Lawyer has a comprehensive privacy policy that outlines how they collect, use, and protect your personal information. It is crucial to review this policy to understand their practices regarding data retention, sharing, and your rights as a user. Transparency in these practices is a key indicator of a service's commitment to security and privacy. Regular security assessments. Like any responsible online platform handling sensitive data, Rocket Lawyer likely conducts regular security assessments and penetration testing. These processes involve internal and external experts attempting to identify and address potential vulnerabilities in their systems. This proactive approach helps to continuously strengthen their security posture. A practical tip for enhancing your own security when using online legal services like Rocket Lawyer is to employ strong, unique passwords for your account and enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, if offered. Strong passwords, combining uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols, make it significantly harder for unauthorized individuals to gain access to your account. Two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security by requiring a second verification step, typically a code sent to your phone, in addition to your password when logging in from an unrecognized device. While no online platform can guarantee absolute security, Rocket Lawyer implements industry-standard security measures, including encryption, secure storage, and privacy policies to protect user data. By understanding these measures and adopting proactive security practices on your end, you can navigate the platform with greater confidence.